Hey guys, how's it going? It is December 23rd. It is 11:45 a.m. I am done for the day and I want to talk about my last few trades because I feel like I'm dropping the ball almost with these videos because I can't seem to be too consistent recording them, and for that I do apologize. Life is getting in the way and it's hard to find the time to do this, but that shouldn't be an excuse. Anyway, let's talk about my snap trade. That's the one that I left open the last time I recorded a video. And after that, I traded PayPal, and today I traded Square. Okay, so let's talk about my snap trade. I went in on Snap on February 19th at 9:56. So, yeah, like there. Right. Okay. I saw that, oh my God, we're breaking out, and we were going for all-time highs. This trade didn't do anything at all the entire day. This was Friday, last Friday. And then when we opened up on Monday, it wanted to gap up, but the market sucked. All right. Monday was a very, here, I'll show you. SPY. SPY on the daily. This was yesterday. It wanted to gap up and it couldn't. It just collapsed, right? Um, right. So that's 21. What? What? Come again? Sorry. There. This was yesterday. It gapped down. That's what I wanted to say. It tried to go up and it just didn't. There was a big selling pressure and yeah, it just went down. Basically, this killed any potential plays to the upside. Let's go back to Snapchat. Okay, so, um, right. I was looking for a nice gap up over the weekend. Didn't really happen. I mean, we gapped up, but we didn't have the strength to move up, right? I wanted to see if we could break over this level, which I believe was pre-market highs. We couldn't. There was selling pressure, so I ended up selling at 944, which is there during this candle. I saw that we were going down and I didn't want to let a winner turn into a loser, so I sold for a very modest 12.31%. It's okay, you win some, you lose some are bigger than others, and this one was a small win. Okay, great. Moving on. Of course, after I sold, things just had to go for one more push, but that's okay. In the end, I was actually very happy I sold because look at that. All right, this collapsed yesterday, but today it is no better, no better. So yeah, very happy I was able to recognize that we didn't have the strength to move up, and I captured my small gain. All right, now PayPal. PayPal I traded yesterday, and I got I don't want to say faked out, but this trade played with me. It toyed with me quite a bit. Okay, so let's see. I got in yesterday at 11:01. 11:01. Let's see. 11:0 right there. Right, that candle. To the downside, by the way. I got into the downside. That's it, right? Yeah. I got into the downside, and the first thing, why? Because I saw that we were breaking below this, and we had some room to fall to the daily daily moving average. So that was my target. Right after I went in, this thing came up. That's never a good feeling. Oh, but like the market was so heavy, it was pushing down so much that I really thought this was gonna fall. Then it went back down. I said, here we go, here we go, here we go. It went right back up. And I feared that this wanted to close this gap, right? if you look at it on the daily, I really feared that this was yesterday. It wanted to come all the way up here. It didn't, okay? But by the time, when did I let go? 257. 257, so there, at the end of this candle. There. I went in here, went against me, went my way, and I said, okay, here we go. It went really against me, broke VWAP, and I didn't let go. I didn't let go because I was sure that the market was going to fall. And fall it did. But by now, my psychology was so like beaten up that I was just happy to take this loss and call it a day. I lost 17.59% here. Overall, yesterday was a bit red, like not too big, like $90 red, something like that. That's fine. And I panic sold. I sold because my psychology tapped out, and that's it. But guess what? My system wasn't telling me to sell. My system was telling me to, stay put. Guess what? I missed all of this. So basically, I missed like, yeah, I missed a big gain here because my psychology and my entry too. My psychology wasn't able to deal with this trade properly, and my entry was a bit so-so. I will not tell you what indicators I used, but I know that this was not my best entry. Anyway, in turn, like this would have been a great entry, but it is what it is. Based on the indicators that I used. Oh well. Anyway, and last but never least, I traded Square today. I went in here to the upside. Okay, so everything just sold off this morning. It sold off, and like the SPY fell hard, all of that stuff. Okay. I didn't want to get in at these levels because this is very low, and this is already like down. By the time this was here, like 7% or so. I can't remember, but I know that this was down very much on the day, so I didn't really want to force the machine. And also this was right at the daily moving average, so that was used as support, right? Okay, so big sell-off, recovery, breakout, retest, continuation. And mind you, I went in a little bit too early here. Not my best entry, but the SPY was giving signs of recovery. The momentum was telling me that it was changing. And yeah, I went in trusting this support and VWAP. The trade worked out really well. I did panic sell, I'm not gonna lie, because this was a nice gain. It was a 24.29% gain, which is close to my goal. My average anyway, 30%. And in this market, honestly, if you can capture your profits quickly, I say you do it. I say you do it because it's been a rough month, and profits coming in, locking in profits, that's good for your trading account, right? My system didn't tell me to get out yet, but I did. I did anyways, and I'm happy that I did. Okay, and yeah, if you guys want to talk a little bit about the SPY today, let's go to the daily. Okay, so yesterday, 2 days ago, we gapped up, but we just fell. We fell like boom, like a rock. Yesterday we gapped down. We tried to recover, and we couldn't. We closed below resistance, and today, this morning, we opened, pretty much at the same level. We tried to go above resistance, and nope, all this thing did was just collapse, okay, to support. Now there's been some buying pressure. Who knows what will happen? I will not be here to find out. Let's look at this on the intraday. Alright, so yeah, the first thing that the SPY did today, pre-market, was try to break this resistance. It couldn't, then it just fell to support. It got bought, tested it, and now it's just going up, right, above VWAP. This could be interpreted as a breakout, retest, continuation. Now, I don't trade the SPY because the SPY is its own animal and it moves however the hell it wants. But it is a good thing to keep your eye on because everything moves with the market, or the vast majority of stocks move with the market, and the market is pretty much SPY, and the Nasdaq and maybe the Dow, but yeah, SPY is a good representation of the market. Even though the market is red today, the fact that it broke out, retested, went back up, and it did the same with VWAP, breakout, retest, continuation, tells me that there was going to be some buying in the market. All right, that's what convinced me to trade Square, right? Because I saw that the market was turning around, and again, I did go in too early on this pattern. I should have gone in maybe here, maybe here, but it is what it is. I really believed that this was overextended to the downside and due for a pull up, and I got it. So yeah, happy with that trade. And now the market can do whatever it wants because I am done. I am done. I'm just going to upload this video. I'm gonna post my trades on Twitter, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Okay, guys? All right. Have a good one. Cheers. Bye.